How to fix iPhone vibration not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if you have disabled low power mode and do not disturb mode in your device or not. For that, swipe down from the right corner of your screen. You'll find the option of focus. Long press on it. Make sure you have disabled for the option of do not disturb. Likewise, head back. Open the option settings. Scroll down. Head towards the option of battery. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low power mode. Now heading towards the solutions, the very first thing you want to do is scroll down. Go to the option accessibility, open it. Go to the option touch, open it. You'll find the option of vibration over here. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Likewise, head back. Go to the main page of settings, open the option sound and haptics. Over here you will find this section of ringtone, text tone and so on. Open each of the option. You'll find the option of haptic, open it. Now from here you can select any of the sound for the haptic. Do the same for all these options. Likewise, enable for this option of system haptics. Open this option of haptics. Set it to always play. Now heading towards next solution, head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Scroll all the way down. You will find the option of shutdown. Click on it. Now slide this icon to the right to power off your phone. And again turn on your phone. Heading towards very last solution, open this option, transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone vibration not working after iOS 17 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.